How to etch glass using Cricut Maker. Step 1. In cricutdesignspace, click on New Project, then Upload if you already have an SVG file in place. Step 2. Click on Upload Image, then browse, select the image and click on Save. Step 3. Then select the uploaded image and click on Insert Images and it'll load on the canvas. Step 4. If you do not have an SVG in place, you can create a design using images and ready-to-make projects. Step 5. To size the materials, click on Shapes and select one that matches the glass you're going to etch. Step 6. Change the size of the shape to the actual size of the material. You can also rotate it if required. Step 7. Click on the Color Swatch button to change the color of the shape or the design. Step 8. Drag the design onto the shape and make sure that it fits. Step 9. Next, you need to make a weeding box. To do this, right-click on the material box and select Duplicate. Step 10. Using the Resize button, make it slightly smaller than the material box but big enough to cover the decal. Step 11. Next, select the material box and delete it. Step 12. With the new box selected, click on Arrange and select Send to Back. Step 13. Now select everything and click on Attach at the bottom right side of the screen. Step 14. Once done, click on Make It and wait for the Prepare screen to load. Step 15. If you wish to rotate the design, click on the design and rotate it using the Rotate button on the upper right handle. Step 16. Click on Continue, select your machine, then click on Browse All Materials. Step 17. Search the material in the search bar, select it from the list and click on Done. Step 18. Next, click on the Pressure drop-down menu and select More. Step 19. Now grab the vinyl, place it down on the mat and place it in the Cricut Maker to load. Step 20. Press the up and down arrow button to load it, then press the C button to start cutting. Step 21. Once it's done cutting, press the up and down arrow button to unload. Step 22. Next, read out the design, which can take a while. Step 23. To put the decal on the glass, cut a piece of transfer tape that's a little bigger than the decal. Step 24. Peel off the cover and place it gently on top of the decal. Step 25. Next, make sure that the decal is well adhered to the transfer tape and pull off the backing. Step 26. Now grab the glass and clean it with alcohol to remove oil and adhesive. Step 27. Once done, line up the decal on top of the glass and make sure that it adheres well to the glass using a scraper. Step 28. Remove the transfer tape. Step 29. Wear gloves and protective eyewear, then apply the etching cream using a brush. Step 30. Make sure that the cream covers every nook and corner of the design. Step 31. Once you've applied enough cream, keep brushing it out for about 3 minutes. Step 32. Rinse the cream off the glass under running water using a brush and dry it off. Step 33. Now remove the vinyl off the glass, clean the surface with alcohol, and you're all done. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.